Hello students, good morning. Welcome to your GK class. We have done till chapter 6 in GK last week. So today we will read chapter 7, recognize these animals. So basically there are pictures given of some animals. We have to recognize them. I have already done it for you. I have written the names of the animals, but now we will get some knowledge about them. Okay, so get ready. Let's have the reading first. Animals are categorized into different categories on the basis of their habitats and food. Okay, so animals को उनकी आदतों, उनके खाने की वजह से, वो जो खाते हैं और जहाँ वो रहते हैं, हैबिटेट्स की वजह से अलग अलग कैटेगरीज में बांटा गया है. ओके, द फर्स्ट पिक्चर इज़ ऑफ ऑस्ट्रिच. Whose picture is this? Ostrich. Write the name of this animal. Ostrich. It is basically a flightless bird. Okay, so ostriches are called flightless bird because it cannot fly. वो उड़ नहीं सकती. Okay, the flightless ostrich is the world's largest bird. They roam African savanna and desert land and get most of their water from the plants they eat. Okay, they are very famous for their speed and movement. Though they cannot fly, ostriches are fleet, strong runners. They can sprint up to 43 miles an hour and run over distance at 31 miles an hour. Okay, they may use their wings as rudders to help them change direction while running. तो दौड़ने के दौरान वो अपने विंग्स को यूज़ करते रडर्स की तरह और उसके अपना डायरेक्शन चेंज कर लेते हैं. ओके, दे हैव वेरी पावरफुल लॉन्ग लेग्स एंड दे कैन कवर 10 to 16 feet in a single stride. Oh, these legs can also be formidable weapons. Ostrich kicks can kill a human or potential predator like a lion. Okay, तो इसकी एक किक से ह्यूमन को चोट बहुत हैवी लग सकती है, वो मर भी सकते हैं. ओके, सो दे आर रियली पावरफुल. ओके, नाउ लेट्स go to the second picture. The second picture is of zebra. You must have seen the zebra in the zoos, and they have very different types of stripes on their body. Okay, different zebras has different types of distinctive stripes on their body. So zebras generally stick together in herds. झुंड में ही रहते. Within a herd, zebras tend to stay together in smaller family groups, and their families are generally made up of a male, several females and their young ones. उनके बच्चे फीमेल्स और मेल दोनों जेब्रा एक झुंड में, ये लोग एक फैमिली की तरह होते हैं. ओके, रहते हैं. एज ए जेब्रा ग्रेजेस, इट यूजेस इट्स शार्पर फ्रंट टीथ टू बाइट द ग्रास एंड देन यूजेस इट्स डलर बैक टीथ टू क्रश एंड ग्राइंड. अ जेब्रास टीथ कीप ग्रोइंग फॉर इट्स एंटायर लाइफ. जेब्रा के जो दांत होते हैं उनके इंटायर लाइफ में बढ़ते ही रहते हैं, ग्रो करते रहते हैं, बिकॉज कॉन्स्टेंट ग्रेजिंग एंड च्यूइंग वियर्स देम डाउन. ओके, and zebras are constantly on the move to find fresh grass and water. तो फ्रेश ग्रास और वाटर के लिए वो ज़्यादातर से कॉन्स्टेंटली वैंडर करते रहते हैं, मूव करते रहते हैं हर वक्त. ओके, द थर्ड पिक्चर इज़ ऑफ hippopotamus. Okay, you must have seen the picture or on any geographic channels you must have seen him. So who are they? Hippopotamus, and they are also called the common hippopotamus. They are large, mostly herbivorous, semi-aquatic mammal and ungulate native to sub-Sahara Africa. It is one of only 2 extant species in the family Hippopotamidae, the other being the pygmy hippopotamus. The name comes from the ancient Greek for river horse. Okay, so the name that is hippopotamus has derived from the ancient Greek word which means river horse, दरियाई घोड़ा जिसको हम बोलते हैं. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट पिक्चर इज ऑफ पोलर बेयर. पोलर बेयर is a bear whose native range lies largely within the Arctic Circle. तो ये ज़्यादातर से कहाँ पाए जाते हैं? आर्कटिक सर्कल के में पाए जाते हैं. ओके, वहाँ पे जितनी प्लेसेस लैंड है वहाँ पे पाए जाते हैं, तो वो ठंडी जगहों पे होते हैं, बिल्कुल बर्फीली। इनकम्पासिंग द आर्कटिक ओशियन, आर्कटिक ओशन के पास ही है। इट्स सराउंडिंग सीज एंड सराउंडिंग लैंड मासेस, इट इज़ ए लार्ज बेयर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली द सेम साइज एज द omnivorous कोडियक बेयर, कोडियक बेयर के साइज के बराबर ही होते हैं। ओके, नेक्स्ट पिक्चर इज ऑफ चिंपैंजी। Chimpanzees are great apes found across Central and West Africa, and along with bonobos, they are our closest living relatives. Okay, and they are very considerably in size, and their habits is much like the humans. Okay, so this is a picture of chimpanzee at number 5. Moving on to picture number 6, this is a picture of octopus. Okay, octopuses are sea animals famous for their rounded bodies, bulging eyes and 8 long arms. So they have bulging eyes, और उनकी बड़ी बड़ी उभरी हुई सूजी हुई आँखें होती हैं, और उनके 8 long arms होते हैं. Okay, and they live in all the world's ocean. Okay, next picture is of platypus. The platypus is one of the most unusual creatures in the animal kingdom. बहुत ही unusual होते हैं. Platypus have a paddle-shaped tail like a beaver, a sleek furry body like an otter, and a flat bill and a webbed feet like a duck. And in fact, the first time a platypus was brought from Australia to Britain, and people couldn't believe that it was a real animal. They thought that a trickster had sent two animals together. Okay, so they look so weird. Okay, their features are really weird, and it looks like they got the features of mixed features of 2 or 3 animals together, all together. Okay, so the next picture is of salamander. Salamander are a type of amphibian, and they have moist skin, and they are usually found in damp habitats near or in water. Okay, because of their slender bodies and long tails, they look somewhat like lizard. Okay, so people think of it like a lizard. Okay, but it's not actually a lizard, but it is an amphibian. Okay, next picture is of toad. Toad is a common name for certain frogs. You must have seen the picture, and in real life you also have seen him. Toad is a common name for certain frogs, and especially of the family Buffanidae that are characterized by dry, leathery skin, short legs, and large bombs covering the parotoid glands. Okay. Next picture is of penguin. Penguins are a group of aquatic flightless birds. They live almost exclusively in the southern hemisphere, and with only one species, the Galapagos penguin, found north of the equator. They are highly adapted for life in the water. Penguins have counter-shaded dark and white plumage and flippers for swimming. Okay. The next picture is of cricket. It is not the name of that sports cricket. It is an insect. Okay, so cricket of the family of Grylidae, and they are insects related to bush cricket, and more distantly to grasshoppers. So they belong to the grasshoppers family. Okay, they have mainly cylindrical bodies, round heads, and long antennae. Okay, next picture is of crane. Crane belongs to a family of birds that have long legs, long necks, and long beaks, and there are 15 different species in this crane of birds, in these species of birds. Okay, so today you have got so much knowledge about the animals. So I hope you have enjoyed this chapter. Now I'll see you next class. The video is going to be very lengthier. Okay, so try to learn the names of these pictures. and try to find more and more information and knowledge about these animals and try to make a collage of these animals. Okay, thank you.